For homeowners in Lafayette, keeping the home safe and secure is always a top priority. Windows play a major role in home security, yet many people overlook how important proper installation, quality materials, and modern window features are in preventing break-ins and protecting loved ones. Whether you're upgrading old windows or installing new ones, understanding how window installation affects home security can help you make smarter decisions that strengthen your home's safety from the inside out. Here's what Lafayette residents need to know about window installation and home security. Proper installation prevents weak points in your home. Even the strongest, most secure window won't perform well if it's improperly installed. Gaps, loose frames, or poorly anchored components can create vulnerable points that intruders can easily exploit. A professional installation ensures that frames are tightly secured to the home's structure, locks align correctly, providing a solid seal, sashes sit firmly, reducing wiggle room, glass panes are properly glazed to prevent rattling or shifting. Lafayette's warm, humid climate can cause materials to expand or shift over time, making expert installation essential for long-term security and peace of mind. Multi-point locking systems add an extra layer of protection. Today's replacement windows go far beyond the simple latch design found on older windows. Modern window systems include multi-point locking mechanisms, which secure the window at multiple areas instead of just one. For Lafayette homeowners, this means more resistance to forced entry, a tighter window seal, improved durability against impact, greater overall peace of mind. These locking systems are especially valuable on ground floor or easily accessible windows. Laminated and tempered glass increase break-in resistance. Glass is typically the first target in a break-in attempt. Fortunately, modern windows offer advanced glass technologies that dramatically increase resistance to shattering. Tempered glass is heat-treated to be 4 to 5 times stronger than standard glass. If it does break, it crumbles into small, blunt fragments rather than sharp pieces, making it safer and harder to penetrate quickly. Laminated glass contains a protective interlayer that keeps the glass intact even when shattered. This makes it extremely difficult for intruders to push through the window, acting as a powerful deterrent. These glass options are ideal for Lafayette homeowners who want added security without sacrificing natural light or style. Reinforced window frames stand strong against forced entry. Frame strength is just as important as glass strength. Older wooden frames often weaken over time due to Louisiana's humidity, making them vulnerable to prying or impact. Modern window materials like vinyl fiberglass, composite materials, reinforced aluminum offer significantly better resistance to break-ins. These materials do not rot, warp, or weaken when exposed to Lafayette's moisture-rich climate. Secure window placement enhances whole home safety. Strategic window placement can improve security, especially when installing new windows. Homeowners should consider smaller windows for bathrooms or secluded areas, high windows in places where privacy is important, operable windows only where they're safely accessible, double hung or casement styles that lock tightly. A professional installer familiar with Lafayette homes can help determine the safest, most secure placement for every room. Smart windows and security sensors provide added protection. Many Lafayette residents are enhancing their home security systems with smart window technology. These systems work with your home's security network and can alert you if a window is opened unexpectedly, broken, or tampered with, not locked properly. Pairing high-quality windows with smart security sensors creates a strong defense against potential intruders. A safer, more secure home starts with proper window installation. Upgrading your windows is about more than curb appeal and energy efficiency. It's also one of the best ways to strengthen home security. With proper installation, durable materials, modern locks, and impact-resistant glass, Lafayette homeowners can enjoy both beauty and protection. If you're ready to enhance the safety and comfort of your home, consider investing in secure, professionally installed windows that stand up to Louisiana's weather and safeguard your family year-round.